Hi guys, my name is Mika, and a few months ago I put out a community post poll asking you which of the three genres you were most interested in seeing out of wellness, home, and writing, which are the three genres of this channel. Peter responded with a suggestion to incorporate all three topics into one video, which was an awesome idea. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my favorite quotes on all three topics. I took a long time actually to make this video because I went through thousands of quotes and then narrowed it down to what I thought were the best quotes for each genre. And then I added video footage behind each one and created each slide individually and then stitched it all together. So at the very beginning, the quotes will be about life and wellness, then about home, and I threw in some minimalism quotes as well, and then inspirational quotes about writing. So quotes are short, but if you come across the right ones for you, they can be really motivational and inspirational. So I hope that there are a few quotes in this video that inspire you, that you enjoy watching this video, and that it gives you an uplift to your day or night. So starting with quotes about life and wellness. Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field. I will meet you there. When the soul lies down in that grass, the world is too full to talk about. Rumi. Don't complain about the snow on your neighbor's rooftop when your own doorstep is unclean. Confucius. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Aesop. It was only a sunny smile, and little it cost in the giving, but like the morning light, it scattered the night and made the day worth living. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Confucius. Wanting to be someone else is a waste of the person you are. Kurt Cobain. In the end, only three things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. Buddha. Now and then, it's good to pause in our pursuit of happiness and just be happy. Guillaume Apollinaire. There is more to life than increasing its speed. Mahatma Gandhi. Treasure this day and treasure yourself. Truly, neither will ever happen again. Ray Bradbury. I wonder how much of what weighs me down is not mine to carry. Aditi. All of the darkness in the world cannot extinguish the light of a single candle. St. Francis of Assisi. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Epictetus. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. Thich Nhat Hanh. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. The Dalai Lama. Always new, always exciting, always full of promise. The mornings of our lives, each a personal daily miracle. Gloria Gaither. I don't say no because I am so busy. I say no because I don't want to be so busy. Courtney Carver. Dreams don't work unless you do. John C. Maxwell. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Marcus Aurelius. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. William James. Whenever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Seneca. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Reinhold Niebuhr. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. Epictetus. The things that divide us are far less important than those that connect us. Rachel Naomi Remen. Don't compare yourself to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Regina Brett. Enjoy the little things in life because one day you'll look back and realize they were the big things. Kurt Vonnegut. Turn your face to the sun and the shadows will fall behind you. A Maori proverb. This is a wonderful day. I've never seen this one before. Maya Angelou. People will never remember what you said or did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Carl W. Booner. And now for our quotes about home. Home is a shelter from storms, all sorts of storms. William J. Bennett. Home is not a place, it's a feeling. Cecilia Ahern. Less is more. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. Home is the starting place of love, hope, and dreams. Unknown. Mid pleasures and palaces, though we may roam, be it ever so humble, there's no place like home. John Howard Payne. May your home always be too small to hold all of your friends. An Irish Blessing. Just give me a rainy day, canceled plans, an endless pot of hot tea, a sinfully cozy bed, too much chocolate, and a stack of books capable of making me fall in love. Brookhampton. May your walls know joy. May every room hold laughter and every window open to great possibility. Marianne Radmacher Hershey. There's no place like home. L. Frank Baum. The magic thing about home is that it feels good to leave and it feels even better to come back. Wendy Wonder. Very little is needed to make a happy life. Marcus Aurelius. Everyone needs a place to retreat, a spot where the world grows quiet enough for the soul to speak. Angie Wyland Crosby. The ultimate luxury is being able to relax and enjoy your home. Jeff Lincoln. If it doesn't make you feel fabulous, don't do it, don't buy it, don't wear it, don't eat it, and don't keep it. Nicole Liz. We shape our homes and then our homes shape us. Winston Churchill. There's nothing like staying at home for real comfort. Jane Austen. Your home should tell the story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. Nate Berkus. And now for the third section, which are the quotes about writing. Don't tell me the moon is shining, show me the glint of light on broken glass. Anton Chekhov. Writing is the painting of the voice. Voltaire. If you don't have the time to read, you don't have the time or the tools to write. Simple as that. Stephen King. You can make anything by writing. C.S. Lewis. Decide when in the day or night it best suits you to write and organize your life accordingly. Andrew Motion. Good writing is remembering details most people want to forget. Don't forget things that were painful or embarrassing or silly. Turn them into a story that tells the truth. Paula Danziger. As a writer, you should not judge. You should understand. Ernest Hemingway. Just write every day of your life, read intensely, then see what happens. Ray Bradbury. I write to give myself strength. I write to be the characters that I am not. I write to explore all the things I'm afraid of. Joss Whedon. Read 1,000 books and your words will flow like a river. Virginia Woolf. Write what should not be forgotten. Isabel Allende. Start writing, no matter what. The water does not flow until the faucet is turned on. Louis L'Amour. Read it aloud to yourself because that's the only way to be sure the rhythms of the sentences are okay. Diana Athill. It is with words as with sunbeams. The more they are condensed, the deeper they burn. Robert Southey. You have to follow your own voice. You have to be yourself when you write. In effect, you have to announce, this is me. This is what I stand for. This is what you get when you read me. I'm doing the best I can, by me or not, but this is who I am as a writer. David Morrell. Substitute damn every time you're inclined to write very. Your editor will delete it and the writing will be just as it should be. Mark Twain. Writing is the only thing that, when I do it, I don't feel like I should be doing something else. Gloria Steinem. Good writing is supposed to evoke sensation in the reader. Not the fact that it is raining, but the feeling of being rained upon. E.L. Doctorow. No tears in the writer, no tears in the reader. No surprise for the writer, no surprise for the reader. Robert Frost. One day I will find the right words, and they will be simple. Jack Kerouac. I hope that you enjoyed this quote compilation and found it inspirational. If you did, could you please hit the like button as it helps more people to find my channel and I'd really appreciate it. If you'd like to see more videos about wellness, home, and writing, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.